If you're a United States resident and you are urgently looking for a remote job, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be listing 5 top websites that you as a resident of the United States can get a remote job. In case you want to change your career or you want something flexible, maybe your previous job is not giving you chance to focus on other things, or you just need a job that will be paying you higher than what you are currently earning, this video is for you. I'm going to be walking you through on how you can sign up, how you can write your bio, and how you can update your profile in order to stand out so that the recruiters will see your profile and employ you immediately. Okay? I've actually gotten some jobs from this website, so it is tested and trusted. So try out this website and come to the comment section and write what you experience with this website, okay? And also, if you're someone that is interested in knowing about remote jobs and want to upgrade your finance, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell in order to be getting notified whenever I upload a new video so that you don't miss out on any of the important videos. Also share this video in order for those who are also residents in the United States that want a remote job urgently to share from this information and take action also. And do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, okay? So let's get right into the walkthrough. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google and type in ZipRecruiter. When you type in ZipRecruiter, this interface will come up where you'll be ticking this box you are seeing here, showing that you are a human. That means a human being is operating it, not a robot. So this is my profile. I already created a profile with them. So for the sake of this tutorial, I had to search for customer representative jobs in order for you to understand what I am trying to explain in this video. So as you can see, the locations are only in the United States. So people outside the United States cannot easily get jobs from here unless it is solely remote. Okay? So and the jobs here are being posted on daily basis. So you don't run out of jobs. So the next thing you have to do is to add a very good profile picture. Next is to write your name, your email address, and your phone number. Then this headline is very important. You need to write a headline that will attract the hiring manager so that you'll be hired very fast, okay? So now I am logging out so that I'll be able to show you how you can sign up and create your own profile, okay? So now before you go ahead, you have to click on this I am a job seeker. Please don't forget, okay? So the next thing is to click on continue with Google. It is easier that you continue with Google your profile. Not every time you'll be inputting your email address and your password, okay? That is why it is preferable. So the next page is for you to add your phone number, but it's still okay if you want to skip. It is not compulsory. Now I'll be using my profile to give you an illustration for you to understand. So now the next step is to add your resume. You can add your resume from your document, or you can equally generate your resume from your profile. Okay? So the next step is to write about what you do and what you offer, the services you can offer to your employer. It should be a kind of summary of everything that you have to offer, okay? So the next step is the objective of why you're on the site, the benefit your client is going to be getting from you. The next is your work experience. If there are places that you have worked in the past, so it is good you add them up there, you understand. Then the next is your education. So under education, you add up the schools that you attended and the year that you finished up. Then the next is your skills, the skills that you have. You can add them up here under this skill. If you have any certificate that you've acquired either in the past or in the present, you can add them up here also. Then the next is the section for adding your link. Like if you have a LinkedIn profile, you can add them up here also. the next section is for you to add your desired payment and also your experience. Okay, so now let me show you how you are going to be searching for your job role. When you check on your screen, the down part of your screen, you will see where they wrote search. You click on it. You will then type in the job that you wish to apply for. Okay, so after typing in the job, you will come down here where you see remote USA. You click on it. So many jobs will be shown to you. This one is 990 customer service rep jobs. You see their locations, you see their payment. This one is $20 per hour, this one is $24 per hour, this one is $26 to $31 per hour. So this other one is 55k to 70k per annually. So to apply, just click on any of the jobs that you wish to apply and click on the green button that says one click apply. Once you click on that green button, see what they will ask you. Are you authorized to work in the US? You click on yes and click on submit. Viola, you have applied for your job. Okay, so this is so simple and so straightforward. If you find any difficulty on the website, let me know on the comment section. Okay, bye.